7 Psychological Reasons Why You Should Stop Begging for Giveaways on Social Media. Winning online giveaways on any social media platform seems like hitting the jackpot. It's always thrilling to get something for nothing. You feel empowered, giddy, and you just earned yourself free money doing nothing. Celebrities and brands frequently perform giveaways, and if you're lucky, it means more free stuff for you. However, online begging has become a lifestyle for some, and others an easy solution for their problems. If you have imbibed this culture of being dependent on other people's money, it's time to change your attitude. You have to rely on your abilities. In this video, we'll take a look at 7 psychological reasons why you should stop begging for giveaways on social media. Before we go further into this video, welcome to After School TV, where we inspire you to explore opportunities to achieve your life goals and make more impact. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. 7 psychological reasons why you should stop begging for giveaways on social media. 1. It makes you dependent. A beggar is not one who actually begs, but one who sees people's charitable products or offers as a quick fix to their problems. It's like using a stroller when you are feet. Instead of looking for ways to walk independently, it stimulates false entitlement, and no one is drawn to those who carry themselves on overinflated egos. When online begging stops, rewards start pouring in. Think about it, you'll stop begging when you start relying on your resources and talents. If those resources are limited, look for ways to expand them or be content with what you've got. The best way to get help is to demonstrate self-reliance, express gratitude and trust in your abilities. 2. You develop an inferiority complex. Begging brings about an inferiority complex. You no longer stand out from the crowd. You blend into obscure scenes, becoming a shadow. According to APA, American Psychological Association, an inferiority complex is a feeling of inadequacy deriving from actual or imagined physical or psychological deficiency. When you develop the mentality of always taking, you are trapped in the illusion of scarcity. Scarcity leads to envy, and envy builds the greed of gaining more and more from others. Learning contentment is a great way to challenge the feeling of inferiority. 3. You slowly become a passive thinker. Passive thinkers are judgmental humans. They think everyone else but themselves is to blame for certain situations. Passive thinking results from a lack of self-respect and accountability. When you constantly beg for online giveaways, you become lustful. Instead of pleading, you demand with emotions. This means you recognize certain shortfalls in your life but won't take action. You are not willing to respond to the things shaping your reality. On the other hand, active thinkers take responsibility for the shortfalls within their control, while making adjustments for the things that aren't. 4. You lose value. Value is when you consider something or someone as beneficial. It is also defined as holding an individual in a high regard. In a Twitter post, the founder of Imbibed, Akin Alabi, addressed entrepreneurs who begged wealthy men for favors. He expressed concerns and revealed that entrepreneurs should change their mindset and add value to boost sales. This applies to everyone, not only entrepreneurs. People respect those who project good energy and avoid those who are needy. Energy is transferred from the values that guide your life. Don't be pushy. Have high values and think of helping others, even in thought. 5. Loss of self-confidence. The feeling of rejection or losing can sometimes leave a hurtful mark. Taking part in online giveaways is usually the survival of the fittest. Thousands of people want the same prize as you. Heck, it's a game of luck. And with all risky games, sometimes you may never hit the jackpot. The emotions are intense, especially if you have heavily invested. Ongoing financial stress, coupled with the devastation of losing, may harm your confidence. When you luck out, accept it and move on. After all, losing is a part of the game. 6. Increased mindset of poverty. Like the saying goes, act the way you want to feel. Begging makes you look poor. If you are particularly good at telling long tales to back up your claim, then it's a sealed deal. People will see you as a deprived human, not only in monetary terms, but also in mentality. After a while, you digest such a false story and believe in it. Your thoughts hold much power. Remember, thoughts create reality. If you think about being poor to gain sympathy, then we'll let you complete the rest. 7. It makes you lazy. With the internet, you can get away with asking for spare change even when you're asleep. Making money has become easier in this digitalized age. Well, sort of. There is no food for lazy men, and nothing comes easy. You have to be creative, use the time to learn a skill, build yourself, and maintain discipline. If you want to feel rich, think rich. Don't go begging. Finally, online giveaways serve a good cause. It's always beautiful to help people in need. If you want to participate genuinely, by all means, do that. However, try not to feel entitled to people's money. There are numerous creative and more effective ways to make money. Be an active thinker, network, build lasting relationships, and your resources will increase. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at our other videos and smash the like button if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as well. If you have further questions, feel free to comment below. See you next time.